Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the video, I am feeling myself. This is a wig that I made from some hair that I received from Re4u. Yeah, and believe it or not, this is just 3 bundles and a closure. So it's 14-inch, 16-inch, 18-inch bundles of Indian raw virgin hair, and there's a 12-inch lace closure. As you can see here, I have not cut off the lace closure that I sewed on as yet. So yeah, it's very nice hair guys, and you can see the beautiful luster. So I'm gonna put it on, and this stocking wig cap that I have on, it's a chocolate brown color, and yeah, I can actually, my hair can actually cut off and I'm still rock it. Like, I can rock short hair too, yeah. Anyway, this is how I put on my wigs, okay guys, excuse me. This is how I put on my wigs. So as you can see, this is the lace right there. Okay, so this is how it actually looks guys. I'm definitely gonna have to pluck it because that's what the hairline is like. Okay guys, so we're actually getting somewhere, and I went ahead and made me a part. So I went ahead and made a part right there. It can go way further back, but just didn't bother. And I went ahead and I cut some of the baby hairs that were there direction. So I normally clip like that, just so I have like a slanted look, and then this side okay. So that's what I've done so far. I have not glued them down or anything. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied some concealer. This is the one from Bobbi Brown that I applied. So this one here is what I applied to my scalp. So I'm going to be using the All Natural Edge Control Hair Gel. I like the natural look that it gives to my baby hairs whenever I apply it. And I just make random baby hairs around my hairline. Everyone's different and may probably do their baby hairs different, but this is just how I do mine, and it works just fine for me. So just keep in mind that this is a lace closure and not a lace frontal. That is it so far. Okay guys, so this hot comb is a literally lifesaver. If you do not own one and you wear hair extension, wigs, whatever it is, you need to run, not walk, run to the beauty supply store and get you one. I am so feeling myself, but this is where the hair is going to be reaching me, and I am 5'7". Keep in mind that it's a 12-inch lace closure and then a 14-inch, 16-inch, 18-inch bundle. Okay, so I would normally put some curls in my hair or straighten it, but for some reason the waves guys that this hair is giving me is just live. Like, look at the wave pattern in this hair, and this is just natural waves after you wash it. This is the natural pattern. I have not done anything to it other than just use my, where are you? I've just used my hot comb and like just flat iron all with the roots just to have it lay more flat. Okay guys, just to recap everything, this is the Indian Virgin raw hair in 14-inch, 16-inch, 18-inch body wave bundles and a 12-inch lace closure. Now I got this from Re4u hair. They sent it for me to review. I just got the bundles, I made a wig, and I will have a link somewhere just for you guys to see. Guys, look at this, look at the body, look at this. I feel like, tell me something. So yeah, I do like the hair. This is the texture as I said, and it's a beautiful body wave texture. I just use my hot comb and I just flatten the roots just so it does not be bumpy at the top. Who wants a bumpy top? on the wig, on the head, on your head. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and definitely stay tuned for more videos, and I will come back with me putting some nice bouncy curls in this baby.